Today, I go to a nice little country called China! I was thinking the same thing, but yeah, that's what I was saying, but I was like, nah. I'm packing right now because I saved it to do the last minute. Way to go, Logan. But here is the thing about packing. I hate packing! I'm sorry about that. I don't know what came over me. Bye, Maverick. You be a good bird, okay? Otherwise, I'll cut your little bird testicles off. Goodbye, Hollywood. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss my gains bowl. Gains.
A few moments later.
I just got a message from our China contacts.
Hi, Logan. This is Seven. Just for information, and for this event, it is because the organizers really disappointed us, and we thought it will be like an event over at least 2,000 people attending. But now it turned out to be only like 200 people. So we are wondering if you still want to come. Kind of notice that the flight is about to.
Kind of noticed the flight is about to take off. Yeah, I'm on my way to the airport, girl. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what to do. I call my manager who's going with me. He's not answering. Figures. This is a problem. This is a problem. I have mega China blue balls right now. We thought it was gonna be a big event. Yuki's not doing her speech anymore. Like, do you still want to come?
I'm unpacking my bags.
Unpacking the bags. Are you kidding me? Come on! Literally on my way to the, like, what if I had not gotten her message? On a flight to China for no reason. Sweet, dude, it's right around the corner, dude. China's my neighbor. You could dig there, right? I think I did it when I was a kid. No! That's impossible! Yeah, why aren't you in China? Well, to be honest, I have no idea. That explains a lot. I got 4 days where it's just free time. What should we do? Mark's about to do some medieval shit. What is this, bro?
That's how you get egg yolks out of egg whites.
Impossible. No chance this would. Oh my gosh! Bro! That's amazing!
I make 4 egg whites and then 1 yolk.
Oh my gosh. Bro, this is the most innovative thing I've seen since sliced bread. Bro, you're such an adult, it scares me. Why? This is incredible. Look at what you're doing here. When's the last time you sat down and just munched on a carrot? Call me Bugs Bunny.
What's up, Doc?
Munch. You hungry, bro? Yeah, let's go get food. Let's go get some food, my G. Go this way. Now put your hands out. There you go. There it is. You witnessed it here, folks. This is how they make first-person shooters in video games. Whoa! Dude, it actually works. That's sick!
We're onto something.
I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh my gosh, this girl is beautiful. Oh my gosh, this girl is so pretty. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Take my number. Take my number. Wow, this is amazing. 4. I'm giving this girl my number through the window. 4, 3. Awesome. My girl, text me. Bye. Oh my. Oh! Yo, if I go on a date with that girl, if I marry that girl
That girl had the most insane eyes.
what a dope story, huh? But how do I know she's not just doing that for every guy who comes up to her and puts their hand on windows? I don't know that. Like, dude, that's a story, like, if we, hypothetically speaking, if we get married, like, bro.
You never even spoke. You never gave her your name.
I didn't say my name. I'm waiting. I'm still waiting for the text, bro. Ooh, it's a good day, man. Yo! Oh! Okay, it's all making sense now. Life is playing a little game with me. All right, now. What if I wasn't supposed to go to China in the first place? I never was meant to go. My destiny was never to go to China. And it was to meet that girl through the window of Starbucks, give her my phone number, we get married, have kids, and they're all Olympians who donate money to a lot of charities. Yo, that's amazing.
Oh, but she hasn't texted you.
She hasn't texted me.
2 hours later.
What's the problem, bro?
Okay, so
What?
that's the thing. You did it. There's so many rules. When you give a girl your number, you have to joke around and make sure she texts you right there.
I couldn't, there's a window in my way. You could have walked in.
And then two, here's the bigger problem. What if she wrote it down the wrong way because she was caught up in your guys' joke?
First off, it's not a joke.
Wait, when did this happen? How long ago?
2 hours? Oh no. I'm so screwed, aren't I?
Dude, she probably texted Jake on accident. Did you give him Jake's number?
Jake, my brother?
Yeah, did you give him his number?
I did! No! No, I'm so nervous that I gave her Jake's number. No, I didn't. Why would I do that?
Oh, you know, I've given people my mom's number for some reason. I swear to Jesus Christ, that's not a lie. Like, I memorized her number so well that I accidentally give girls their number.
This sounds like a personal problem.
12 seconds later.
I got a text from an unknown number, and then my phone turned off.
No.
I'm not making this up. My phone turned off. I'm gonna turn it on now, and I'm gonna see who this mysterious texter is.
Wait, you got a text?
Woo! We don't know, bro. We're finding out.
Watch it be your mom. Hey, honey, got a new number.
Ooh. Ready? 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 Ah!
What does it say?
Ah!
What does it say?
Ah!
It's not her?
Yes, it is, bro.
It's your mom.
Oh man, I'm such a little schoolboy.
Yeah.
You see that? Hey, coffee emoji. If that's not true love, I don't know what is.
He's been talking about this for about, I want to say 15 minutes. You still haven't texted her back?
I'm playing hard to get, bro. I should be in China right now, dude.
You know you're
Oh my God. You would have never met her. What if she was the actual meant to be girl? So all of this is planned to meet her.
An epiphany I already had, George.
Can I be the best man?
You're my best man. Yeah. Yes.
Mark?
Yeah. You, Mark.
Sorry, can't talk now. Waiting for a really pretty girl that I met at Starbucks to text me.
Ooh.
Are you free tonight, right?
No, that's too pressy.
No, dude, trust me. Listen, guys.
Let me feel the vibes, bro.
I would do right now, since it was so iconic the way you guys like saw each other, I would do something like, yo, I know this sounds crazy, but I think we should hang out tonight, get dinner. Boom.
I might do it.
This is Los Angeles girls.
I kind of like your first line. Hey, sorry, can't talk right now. Waiting for the pretty girl. This pretty girl I met at Starbucks to text me.
Oh, that's a great opener.
And
I'm
then-
doing it. I'm opening with that. Hey, can't talk right now. Waiting for this really pretty girl I met at Starbucks to text me.
Put the emoji eyes.
No, bro, there's still a chance. What did you want me to put?
The eye emojis.
The eyes?
The eyes, because you know her eyes are like kind of spectacular.
No!
Oh.
I'm in love!
Put the eye emoji. Put the eye emoji. Why are you so flexible?
Eventually.
Yeah, guess who's got a date tonight with Chloe. I'm going on a date with Chloe, the French-Canadian girl. Met a girl today. Name's Chloe. It was just a spontaneous thing how it happened, and we're going on a date tonight. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to take her yet. I haven't made that decision. We're gonna go to dinner. She's a dinner eater, just like me. Do I take her somewhere fancy? Romantic? What? Ooh, that's a good idea. Quite the lady killer, huh? Yeah. Night is falling in Los Angeles, which means... Let's try that again. Night is falling in Los Angeles, which... Night is falling in Los Angeles, which... Night is falling in Los Angeles, which means it is approaching date time with my girl Chloe. My girl Chloe. Oh my God, if this works out, this is gonna be a Christmas miracle. Lucky for me, it's right there. I'm literally looking at it. It's a pretty fancy sushi place. If the sushi thing doesn't work, it's on you. Thanks, man. Walking to get sushi. Walking to get sushi. Ah, life is crazy. I cannot wait to see the reaction on her face when I tell her I was supposed to be in China. You guys are gonna hate me for this. You guys are gonna hate me for this. You guys are gonna hate me for this. If you want to see what happens, you're gonna have to watch tomorrow's vlog. I know, I understand, okay, but tomorrow's vlog, I'm gonna say what happened. Maybe even if she lets me like record some of it, I will. No, that's weird. I'm gonna go ahead and live my life without the camera. But I'm gonna let you guys know what happened, So make sure to watch tomorrow's vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends if you liked it. Alright, bye guys. Peace.
Little hands, you see. A warm and impoverished village in Africa. Oh, thank you, burrito gods. I appreciate you.
Those are your clothes.
If I show up naked, is this a problem?
A little bit, but that's on you.
Alright, I won't do it.
All right.
I don't think.